I am a dual citizen, US, Portugal, moving back to Portugal after 44 years, live in California, have a home and a rental paid for, trying to figure out whether I should sell those properties, what capital gains implications I have to look at. I have two properties, one rental and one is a residence.
You get a tax break, for 2 out of 5 years living in the residence, right?
Yes, that one gonna have the lowest capital gains. The rental has much higher.
When are you going to move to Portugal?
I was thinking about moving the beginning of the year.
Where's the rental located? Close to where you live now?
Yeah, they're like a mile apart.
How do you file?
I am single.
What's the capital gain on the rental?
I paid 140.
So 140 plus any remodels, anything over the years that you did.
Maybe 20,000.
What's the gain in the property you live in?
The gain will be about 500.
Well, whatever one you're living in for 2 years out of the last 5, when you sell it, you get that 250,000 exclusion on the federal return, As soon as you move overseas, though, the clock starts ticking when you can't answer yes to that question forever, right? Once you move overseas. At some point, when you can't answer yes to that anymore, you're going to lose this $250,000 tax benefit.
Okay. What about the tax implications of capital gains in Portugal? Do I have to pay capital gains in Portugal?
Probably the answer is yes. Probably you want to do some planning around that, around the dates you move. You're flexible, I think, a little bit.
I could even go back and forth to Portugal to delay the residency there.
Well, you already have a passport there from there, so you're already Portuguese.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So that makes a difference. So they're going to tax you more if you've got the Italian passport versus if you're just Italian resident or not. So this is a difference.
Okay.
I think you need to look at what's your option for rolling that money from the sale of both your properties into some place that can be tax-free for a while, that defers the tax on that. There's also a way to get rid of some of these capital gains for a while. Section 1031 is one of them. There's a few other strategies that can be used too.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.